The world is abrasive. Beauty is fragile.
From the moment it leaves the factory, entropy begins.
For years, we accepted limits. We wrapped our passion in plastic. We accepted seams. We accepted edges. But what if protection wasn't a barrier, but a bridge? Introducing SPPF, the future of paint protection. Infinite layer technology. Long-term protection without repainting. Hyperflex impact absorption. Energy dispersed, not transferred. Renewable surface engineering. Polish it, sand it, restore it. The paint beneath stays untouched. Paintwork fusion bonding. Adhesive-free. Zero residue, zero compromise. Color engineering. Unlimited colors, your paint untouched. Change it, keep it, or make it yours. Born in Japan. Rooted in Monozukuri. Perfected in the Batcave. No seams, no interruptions. This is not a product you buy. It is a process you commission. Intentional, invisible, indispensable.